A young woman from Lewis sings Nyala Erehuan, the swan on the sea, a song she learned in Benbecula from a famous traditional singer. The people of the Western Isles are brought together by the Gaelic language. There is a beauty to be seen in these islands at any time of year, often mixed with a sense of sadness or longing for times past. Physical reminders of a long history are everywhere to be seen. But thinking only about what is now gone is not to everyone's taste. Some prefer to adapt their heritage to fit the 21st century, and in ways which may even provide a basis for a business idea. Loch Boisdale in South Uist is the location of one of the centres for Tobar and Dualchais, the Well of Heritage. In these offices, work is being done to preserve thousands of hours of early recordings of oral tradition from around Scotland, with Hebridean songs and stories forming a very significant part of the collection. There are many aspects to the work. Murdo Nicholson is one of many cataloguers across the country who make notes about each individual track. These include details about who is being recorded, where and when, together with information on the content. Different cataloguers deal with different subjects, such as pipe music, storytelling, and so on. Catriona Scott is a digitizer. Her job is to convert outdated recordings into a modern format, which is also easy to distribute over the internet. She converts original tapes into computer files so that cataloguers can easily work on the material in their own home. A very important part of the work is to save recordings from old tapes which are in danger of disintegrating. The team have a lot of specialist equipment which allows them to computerize old reel-to-reel and other recordings. The work is technical, but Catriona enjoys the opportunity to listen to old songs and stories as she works, particularly from her own island. The work attracts a lot of interest. Archie Mackay from the local paper is keen to find out more about it.
So going back to the very beginning, do you know how the project actually came about to begin with, where the idea of the project came from?
He's particularly interested in the technical side of the work and the potential that it offers for local job opportunities as the unit seeks to expand and diversify.
Is everyone who works here fluent Gaelic speaking?
That remains, an essential part of Tobar and Dualchais.
Yes.
And it also remains, an essential part for us as the staff here.
Shona MacDonald, the manager, shows him around the unit and tells him about some of the new languages they're beginning to deal with. For example, Tajik and Uzbek in a recording from Afghanistan.
We don't understand that language.
Oh yeah, you can actually hear both sides at the same time, yeah.
And one of them's back to front.
So it is, yes.
Yeah. So Catriona will split these and she'll reverse the side that's back to front.
The skills the team have developed with Scottish material can now be used in new areas. Archie gets some pictures too to go with his article.
Yeah.
Shona also shows Archie how the material will be made available online.
You can search it, by subject, for example.
Yeah.
Tales, stories, supernatural, songs.
Yeah.
That was recorded in Shetland. It was recorded on the 12th of January 1974.
Yeah.
He's granted permission for that tracks, for his tapes, and he'll tell you, where he's from.
Yeah.
As they discuss local material, the conversation turns naturally to Gaelic.
It's alleen Lunach's father, it's Lunach. Yeah.
Lunach alleen Lunach.
Ik heb het je het vak gedaan, kan.
Zegt je kunt route met je. Hij is
vaak
op trein naar Brein.
Is een tochtje kan fiachnisch met tape ik wil kijken kan met haar. Jeno dus als je ach kom eens naar Laura Kunis fiachne kijken.
Of hem zo easy dat al leed kutjes. Dus je moet ik met je in kanaal kutjes.
Archie is clearly impressed.
Oh, so alright, I had an issue, so you know, an issue.
Raschen in the issues.
He's very happy as he makes his way back to his own office. He's glad to have a good story to tell about how natural bilingual skills can lead to surprising new opportunities.